When you're looking to roll over your 401k into an IRA, it's essential to understand the steps involved so you can do it efficiently and securely. Many retirees struggle with this process because they're unsure about how to move their money, or they're worried about making costly mistakes. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. First things first, why roll over your 401k into an IRA? Simply put, rolling over into an IRA gives you more flexibility and control over your retirement funds. You can invest in a wider variety of assets, have more investment choices, and in some cases, even lower fees. But if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in today's uncertain economy, rolling over into a gold IRA could be the best decision you make. If you're interested, click the first link in the description to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are making the switch to gold IRAs. Now, let's jump into the process of rolling over your 401k into an IRA. The first step is to choose the right type of IRA for your needs. You have the option between a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, but if you're rolling over funds from a 401k, a traditional IRA will likely be your best bet since it preserves the tax-deferred status of your 401k balance. Choosing the right IRA is crucial because it directly affects your taxes and your investment opportunities. Once you've selected the type of IRA, it's time to open an account. This is usually a simple process, especially with online brokers. You can do this on your own, or you can work with a financial advisor to guide you through the setup. Make sure to select a reputable company that offers the types of investments you're interested in. When it comes to a gold IRA, for example, not all IRA custodians handle precious metals, so it's crucial to work with one that does. The next step is to initiate the rollover process with your 401k plan provider. This involves contacting your 401k plan administrator and letting them know you want to roll over your funds into an IRA. They will provide you with the necessary paperwork and will guide you on how to transfer the funds. Make sure that the rollover is direct. A direct rollover avoids taxes and penalties. If the funds are sent to you first, you'll be liable for taxes and possibly a 10% early withdrawal penalty if you're under age 5912. Once the funds are transferred to your IRA, you can start deciding how to invest them. If you're looking for a safe, proven option to protect your wealth, consider putting a portion of your IRA into gold. A gold IRA gives you exposure to precious metals like gold, which can hedge against inflation and market volatility. By diversifying into gold, you're protecting your wealth from the swings of the stock market. This is especially important for retirees who want to ensure their retirement savings stay secure, regardless of what happens with the economy. After the funds are in your IRA, take the time to review your investments and make sure they align with your retirement goals. You can work with an advisor to make smart investment choices that reflect your risk tolerance and timeline. And here's the best part. Once your funds are in your IRA, you'll have more control over your investments, lower fees, and better opportunities for growth. Whether you decide to stick with traditional investments or diversify into precious metals like gold, the key is ensuring your portfolio is positioned for long-term success. If you're looking to protect your wealth, especially if you have over $100,000 in your 401k or IRA, or even $5 in savings, I strongly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked below. Thousands of Americans are making the smart move into gold IRAs, and you should be part of that movement too. Remember, when rolling over your 401k into an IRA, choosing the right IRA, avoiding penalties, and making wise investment choices are key to securing your retirement. Gold IRAs stand out as a particularly smart choice for people who want to protect their savings against market uncertainty. If you want more details on how to get started, click the link in the description and start your journey to a secure financial future today. This process is perfect for American retirees who want to safeguard their wealth. If you have over $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 plus in savings, a gold IRA could be exactly what you need to ensure your wealth remains protected. Don't wait. Secure your retirement today